Hello. So it's raining outside and my mom is making pav bhaji. So excuse for the cooker ka shiti ka awaaz, okay? We'll just conveniently ignore that and just focus on what I'm talking to. So welcome back, and I am reviewing. No, wait, I'm not reviewing. Like I said, I'm not qualified enough. I have not watched movies enough, and I don't know much about movies enough to give a review about a movie. I'm just going to ramble and rant about a movie, and this movie that I'm gonna talk about is Manjumal Boys. So, I am not much of a person who watches horror movies or thriller movies. So I was very skeptical in terms of should I go on and watch Manjumal Boys. But then I was like, let's just do it. It's raining outside and I have got nothing to do. Might as well just watch it. And so I did. And man, I don't know what these Malayali cinema people are cooking out there, what secret masala they have in their food, that they are just creating such bangers and bangers every time, every year, every month, every damn week. They have some or the other great content for us to watch, and I'm eternally grateful to have OTT platforms which release such movies and content for us to watch. I know I should, like, I once counted that the number of South Indian movies that I've watched, and I've like reached 30, 40, I guess. And I think it's high time I should just go and watch a movie actually in theaters. I will do that one day, but till then I'll just focus on this movie right now, and that is Manjumal Boys. Um, there's so much to talk about this movie, and I really don't know where to start. Like, so let's get right into it and talk about Manjumal Boys. So, firstly, the movie starts with a wedding scene, and there we see the two group of people, two group of friends fighting over tug of war. Now, this seems to be a very frivolous thing. Like, why are people fighting over tug of wars? Like, इसमें क्या ही है? But then little do we know that the thing that we think is frivolous enough later on turns out such an important thing. Like, they literally fight again that tug of war, and the guys, this Manjumal boys ka gang, actually loses in that initial tug of war which was done, a rematch which was done. And then they took it so much to their heart that they would go back, like, after their work and practice and practice and practice, and little did they know that they were not practicing for a tug of war match which they would play on later with those guys, but they was actually preparing for something bigger than that. And man, that is really 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 something which is like such small details, na, it's like really wonderful. Then comes to the part where uh, Subhash, the main character, almost does not make to the um trip that they had planned. It was because a person in their group cancelled at the last minute. Because of that person, this one got added in the end because he didn't have enough money, so he was a bit hesitant about it. But Kuttan uh, was like, nay, nay, it's okay, we'll take care of it. Just make sure you have enough money for your food and all. Baki sab theek hai. So that was kind of cool, and how he said we'll take care of it. He truly took care of it. And not just him, even the entire gang, all those other 8 guys, really took care of Subhash in true sense, if we see it that way. So, yeah, man. Then comes the next part. So, if y'all see me looking at the screen, it's just that the pointers that I have made, and I'm not a professional. It's a very low budget person YouTube channel who just is reading it off her laptop, all the pointers. So, Shama Kare. And this is just a hobby. It's nothing like to make a channel or like beat or give competition to Anupama Chopra or Jammy Pants or something. It's just normal trending. So yeah, coming back to it, then something which really grabbed my attention was the obvious scene which is going around on the internet, be it Instagram Reels or be it Twitter, where Subhash talks to Prasad about what exactly is God, and Prasad tells him कि it's the light. And then it was actually dark at that time when they were discussing this, and he was like अभी तो कुछ नहीं है ना, अभी तो कहाँ कुछ लाइट वाइट दिख रहा है तुमको एंड ऑल वगैरह वगैरह. एंड funny, I don't think so we should call it funny, but it's very ironical and very weird way how God proved him कि दिखाता हूँ मैं तुझे अभी क्या है. Like it was kind of weird, kind of ironic that God put him in the darkest place and then showed him a light. And man, rest of we know what happened. Yeah. Yeah, then we'll talk about the next thing that comes in the movie is how the men are just nahin, we will not just be restricted to the boundaries that are created by the government for our safety purpose. हमारे आदमी लोगों में जो चुल है वो हमको और मतलब आगे आगे लेके जाएगा. So climbing off those gates and fences and boundaries and then going off cliffs and mountains and what else, rocks and all, climbing everything. Like Kuttan was telling them कि यार चलो चलो वापस जाते हैं and all, but still ये लोग का चुल जो है वो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा था. And that was quite very much evident कि हाँ, like when Twitter says ना कि we get why men like don't live longer and women do, this is because of this chul only कि अरे मंजूबल बॉयज वाले लड़का लोग इधर डेंजरस प्लेस में गया नहीं तो कैसा. इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक वी गेट दैट थिंग. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली टिपिकल मेन बिहेवियर एंड लाइक which caused the movie and the incident back in 2005 and 6 for that reason. So yeah, we get it. Okay, yeah, we'll talk about a very important thing over here, which is like the central point of the movie, which is the Kamal Hassan's song and the Kamal Hassan's movie, which was shot in that place, was the reason why the guys went there in the first place. So, I really like how Malayalam cinema just incorporates Tamil music in their movies very conveniently, and they just don't do it for the heck of it, ki like it's just a good sounding song, so we are just going to put it. There is a meaning, and it just amps up the scene or amps up the plot and everything. I recently watched that Guruvar wala movie of Prithviraj, Guruvar Ambadnadiyas. I am sorry if I can't pronounce it rightly, but that movie, even that Alagili Lela wala jo gana tha, I'm sorry if I can't pronounce it correctly, one day I will. So that song was also placed so rightly, like we get it why there is bhaichara in the South Indian states. So yeah, so Kamal Hassan's song was placed so rightly in that movie throughout, and the way it was like put on the right movements na, like when they are like taken out of that pit, that exact time that song starts playing again, and before that there's the echo part which one of those 9 guys were singing, and that even became a clip for Instagram reels to be made. So yeah man, it was very like goosebummy movement and like truly great, very well placed. It had the, like I obviously don't know Tamil, so I don't know exactly what the feelings are, but whenever there are translations put down, there had a line which said wound wala thing, so like those guys were wounded, but yeah, I don't know, yeah, it's like like the song says ki something cannot be comprehended by humans, it's just there, it's just divine, it's very rare. So I guess that is how it is, and I shouldn't just use words of English language or any other language to describe what exactly that moment was. So yeah, like how it was said, I will read it out. This isn't human love that humans can make sense of. It's much beyond. A sacred one. Truly, no one can comprehend what Kuttan did for Subhash. Like, truly, no one can. And yeah, man, like everyone wants a friend who would do that for him. I don't know if I have any of those friends in my life who would put their life to risk. Like, I'm saying friend, not even friends. So like आज रात को नींद आएगा कि नहीं पता नहीं. I'm just going to list out all of my friends in my head and I'm just going to think कि ये करेगा क्या मेरे लिए, ये करेगी क्या मेरे लिए, or something. Very dark topic. I'm not going to go that direction. Let's go come back to the movie section. So yeah. So when the incident finally happens, there were all men and there was a trauma that happened, and all of them had different reactions. Some were bickering, some were crying out for help, one of them just froze, one was like they were crying and all वगैरह वगैरह. But one thing was for sure that we all noticed, everyone में common था, was that no one gave up. No one was like नहीं मैं जा रहा हूँ, हाँ ठीक है वो मर गया, अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, I'm just gonna leave. So that was truly why they were the Manjumal boys. They were like tight, super tight together. Like they had varied reactions to the trauma, but they never gave up, and that is what is truly commendable. Like they need to be appreciated for that. ऐसी दोस्ती मिलना बहुत बहुत मुश्किल है, and Subhash is truly lucky to have such people in their life. In his life, sorry. Okay, then coming back to the next part that I observed was there was this guy, the glasses wala, I don't remember his character name, but in the initial scenes we see how he was a bit snobbish and he was too snob to not serve water during the क्या बोलते हैं यार उसको, खानावड़ा क्या बोलते हैं उसको, when people were having dinner for that wedding वाला thing. He was like नहीं यार मेरा शर्ट खराब हो जाएगा, and he was like too snob for that. But then end में we did see the character shift where he went out to help Kuttan to like वो पानी वो पिट में ना चला जाए उसके लिए. He knew that it was not going to make much difference, but still he just, there was a character arc that happened and then he just truly shifted, and that was something again showing us the true sign of friendship, like how friendships can change you and try to like you end up doing something which you normally wouldn't do. So yeah, that was also absolutely great of him. Okay, so this one scene, like there were multiple scenes which were shot brilliantly. If I have to talk about the cinematography of this movie, I need to make another video for that, but we are not going to do that. But I'm just going to point out two to three scenes which I absolutely loved. They were so well shot. First one was when it started raining over there, and then the first drop of water falls on Shubin's face, the cheek, and it was like a perfect tear. I don't know yeah how long they took to shot that scene, but it was perfect. कुट्टन का जो कैरेक्टर था उसका वो एक्सप्रेशंस भी परफेक्ट था उसके लिए. बट ठीक है यार, लाइक इट वाज ऑसम मतलब एब्सोल्युटली ऑसम. Then there were a lot of stories which were said about that place. Like some were real, some were mystical about that central minister ka some guy, or other devil's kitchen theories and all vagera vagera. But I feel the true one story which everyone will remember from that came out of that place will be of Subhash and his Manjumal boys, and that is what matters at the end of the day, I feel. You don't need not have, like you need not, get 15 lakhs to save yourself if you are like fallen in that pit. You just gotta have a Kuttan and you gotta have a Manjumal boys ka set with you, and you will be saved if you have those people. If you have true friendship in your life, you can be saved. Money cannot save you at times, is what we can like infer from that scene. Um Again, like I was talking about the cinematography, I really liked one more shot, which where Kuttan sees that the water is like, as it started raining, the water was flowing and getting into the pit. So he was like, अरे वो पानी अंदर नहीं जाना चाहिए, वो भर जाएगा तो फिर मेरे दोस्त को प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. और he didn't know exactly how deep the thing was, but still he wanted to protect his friend. And the way it was like shown ना, वैसे ऐसे 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 जा रहा है, it was so real, like ऐसा लग रहा है यार सामने ही हो रहा है हमारे. And it was like, even if some people who saw it in the theaters would have even loved it even more, the cinematic brilliance that it was. I know it is a very small thing, but it was like really caught my eye and I gotta appreciate it. So yeah, okay. So then comes to the flashback scenes. There were a lot of flashback scenes, and one of them was when वो लोग hide and seek खेलता है, and everyone thinks that it's a prank and all वगैरह वगैरह. And people, when he fell in the pit in the first place, all of the friends even said that thing also कि यार ये तो prank कर रहा है, prank कर रहा है, prank कर रहा है. Okay. And then we see that वो छोटू version of जो Subhash है, he looks up in the sky and it's just all jungle, and he steps out and he is like lost and all. And then there is a small bat that just flies away, and it just makes us reaffirm that ये अभी जो चल रहा है वो सुभाष के सबकॉन्शियस में चल रहा है. इट्स लाइक ये चीज़ जो ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है वो वापस हो रही है, बट इन अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मैनर. आई एम नॉट एग्जैक्टली श्योर इफ इट इज़ फ्रॉम Subhash's perspective or the friends' perspective. I'm 99.99% sure it is from his perspective only, otherwise why would it be? But I'm still not very sure about those flashbacks. There is one more flashback which I am not entirely sure about what happened. So yeah, we'll talk about that later. So yeah, this one flashback was there. Then talking about okay, let's talk about the another flashback also while we are at it. Kuttan's flashback, where Kuttan has a flashback where there are guys which are swimming, and then Subhash saves a guy and he refers to them as Kannan. Now, I am not a Malayali person, so I'm not sure what Kannan means, and neither of those guys were named as Kannan. So I don't know who exactly was Kannan, who exactly was saved by Subhash. So there is an ambiguity in my head towards that thing. It could be either that Kuttan knows this thing happened and he's like, it could be either that Kannan is Kuttan and Subhash had saved him earlier. So as वो return फेवर वाला जो सीन होता है, इट्स लाइक इसने मेरी जान बचाई तो मैं अभी इसकी जान बचाना ही चाहिए मुझे. इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट. और इधर इट कुड बी लाइक, अरे एज अ किड सुभाष ने एक बच्चे की जान बचाई थी, तो इफ़ ही वॉज ब्रेव इनफ टू सेव अ पर्सनस लाइफ इवन व्हेन ही वॉज अ किड, तो he also deserves to be saved. So that could be also the thing. I don't know exactly which of those two things are, and I don't even have any friends to like confirm this thing, and I haven't read much of the theories on the internet yet to like make sure what exactly it is. So yeah, bear with me. Okay, then comes those final moments which add an absolute emotional grab on me, and I'm pretty sure on other people also. And like when that rope got stuck in those rocks, and man, कुछ तो हुआ मेरे दिल में, आई एम लाइक अयो ऐसा हो गया मेरे को. एंड देन व्हेन दे फाइनली केम अप, एकदम वो मुझे पता नहीं यार, मेरे को तो वो प्रिंस वाला याद आ गया. बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज अ किड देयर वाज अ गाय हु, अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड हु वाज whose name was Prince, and वो जब ये ऊपर आया था तभी सारे टीवी चैनल्स ने भी वैसे ही वो सीन दिखाया था, and it was very much similar to that only. So yeah, and the placement of that echo of those, one of those guys singing that line and then playing that song really gave me those chills, literal chills. And yeah man, it was a very emotional and very, like, it was a very chill movie and then suddenly becomes a survival thriller and all. So yeah man, gotta give it to the writers and the director for it. Yeah, then comes to the part where how we see Subhash's character not believing in God, then turning into a person who's perceived as God by the locals because he defeated the death. Because there were stories, local stories of how that place is Devil's Kitchen and no one has ever made out of it, and he literally came out of that. So yeah man, it was kind of like a journey for him. Okay. Next thing, I don't know if I'm reading way too much into it or it's actually what the director and the writer envisioned, but when we see that Subhash is leaving for the trip, he almost forgets to pack his underwear, and then he takes away his brother ka belt also, and then when he's taken to the hospital we see that that's all that is on his body. So I don't know if it is a minute detail which the directors and the writers put in, and it was very subtle way वगैरह वगैरह, but I don't know, maybe I'm reading way too much into it, I don't know. So this is something I thought. So yeah, it doesn't have to make sense, sometimes you just think the way things are. Okay, one more thing that I observed was once again a Malayali going to Kodaikanal and then getting horribly hurt, then coming back in a yellow jacket back home to Kerala. Strike a chord? प्रेम हम, राइट. तो उसमें तो निविन पॉली थोड़ा दिल से हर्ट हुआ था, थोड़ा उसको इधर दर्द ज़्यादा हुआ था. सुभाष के कैरेक्टर को तो सब दिल तोड़ो हड्डी भी, कुंफू के लो कबड्डी भी हो गया उसके साथ. तो या, so that was like something I just thought of, I don't know. Okay, then comes to another flashback which I noticed was when Subhash as a child was very disturbed and he was in another room and trying to sleep. He was very disturbed, so he comes out of that room and then he sleeps with his mother and his small brother together. Because of that, like, he was not able to sleep and all. And then later on we see that when Subhash comes back home after getting treated in the hospital and all vagera vagera, and then he is not able to sleep because of the PTSD that he is suffering with, and so then his mom comes up and then sleeps with him. So it was like एक बार वो अपनी माँ के पास गया, अब उसकी माँ उसके पास आ रही है. तो it was like kind of cool for me too. Like, it was a minute detail again which I noticed. So it was like, yeah, kind of cool. And then we see the movie ends where the authorities just shut down the pit. Okay, it's like एकदम हथौड़ा मार के वो एकदम किला विला ठोक के मस्त बंद कर दिया है. Because that, it's exactly how the movie started, because of that pit, and now the movie is ending because of, like, we are just shutting it down. So that is how the movie even ends. And we see the paint का boxes also, paint का डब्बा जो है वो भी अभी खत्म हो गया है, उसमें कुछ नहीं है. There were mushrooms which were drawn, अभी उसको बनाने के लिए कुछ पेंट वेंट नहीं, कुछ नहीं, इधर कोई नहीं आने का, अभी सिर्फ रियल मशरूम्स उगेगा. They show the real mushrooms, those who are growing, and there was just insects and all वगैरह वगैरह. I don't know if it is any reference to devil का hell or something, जहाँ से कीड़े मकोड़े होते हैं, ऐसे बोलते थे ना बचपन में. तो I don't know if it is true, but showing those creepy crawly insects and all, and just mushrooms actually growing. No more painting of the mushrooms on the walls and all. No paint and all, and just shutting down the place. That's how you end the movie, and it was like wonderfully done, and like I really liked it. It was like great. We really need to know what these Malayali people are doing down there, because they deserve so much more praise and so much more uh, appreciation and attention. Yeah, like उनको global map पे डाल दो. Like I don't know, I don't think so even it's even controversial to say it, Abhi, but Bollywood is nowhere near what these people are doing there. It's too damn good. Too damn good. I loved it. Gajab movie. Chumma only. So yeah, that's it from my side for this movie. I hope I get to watch even more movies and I get to talk about this movie series and all. Thoda lamba lamba. I started with Taylor Swift and now I am in my other creative zone. So sorry, not creative zone. I would say creative interests. I would say so. Yeah, I'll keep on hopping on to even more if I see a vision to do that also. Till then, today's ta-da! Kanmani,